Very good. We have two basic steps po sa ating dance. Ang first step po is shake your hands to the right, go like this po. And to the left. And second step po is wiggle your body down and up.